thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Caldwell County in western North Carolina, Central Burke County in western North Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lenoir, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lenoir, Taylorsville, Sawmills, Ganuel, Hudson, Cages Mountain, Stony Point, Cedar Rock, Hidden Knife, and Little River in Alexander County. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories.